In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Ryanair. Changing the website language can make searching for flights, adding bags, and checking in much easier, especially if English isn't your preferred language or you'd like prices and messages tailored to your region. First, open the Ryanair website in your browser and land on the home page. You can do this on a computer or a phone, and you don't need to be logged in. Once the page loads, take a moment to look across the very top of the site. Ryanair groups several quick settings there, so you can adjust how the site displays before you start booking. Next, look for the word portal at the top of the page. Just to the side of it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. That arrow is the control we need. Click the drop-down icon beside portal to open a compact menu. This menu is designed to change how the site presents content to you. Even if the interface is currently in a language you don't understand, the location of this control is consistent, so focus on that portal label and the tiny arrow next to it. With the menu open, you'll see a list that pairs countries with their default languages. Go ahead and select your country language from this list. For example, you might choose the option that matches both your region and the language you want to read. When you make your selection, the site will update the interface text, help articles, and key buttons to that language. In many cases, the currency and certain location-based options will align with the country you chose as well. A brief reload may occur, and then you should immediately notice that headings, menus, and prompts are displayed in your chosen language. If you change your mind later, simply return to the same portal dropdown and pick a different option. This setting is reversible and does not affect your existing bookings. It only changes how information is shown on the site while you browse and manage trips. It's a small tweak that makes navigation clearer, reduces mistakes at checkout, and helps you understand fare rules and add-ons with confidence. And that's all there is to it. Go to the Ryanair site, click the drop-down icon beside portal, and select your country language. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you fly through your next booking with a website that speaks your language.